today, and always. Please know that I see you. I see the path you've made that's all your own. I see the many unique talents and gifts you have to share. See your brilliance, your enthusiasm, and how deeply you care and hurt sometimes. I see your hard-earned wisdom, your soft, pure innocence, your courage and compassion, your unconditional goodness. I see what a difference you make in this world. I hope you know how much I love you and how proud I'll always be to have a daughter as wonderful as you. Love, Dad. Thanks for watching. Team Madla.